Alright, and here it is, guys. We got it off of the back of the Sequoia. It's in rough shape and it needs a key cylinder to get it started and get it working, so that's something that we're gonna end up working on today. Dad, we didn't plug that in. Dad, we gotta plug that in. That was foolish of us.
Hey, you.
He's gonna
get it done?
Oh, I heard the fuel pump.
We got this.
I heard the fuel pump.
Hit it. And 3,
2, 1. Yeah, let's get working on the front end and try to get this key cylinder out. We're gonna get a key cut for it, and we're gonna get a chance to ride it. Always fly off. The front, yeah, the headlight. The headlight came with... Let me see the headlight. Z, how can you do this to us, bro? That looks like poop in there. Oh, that looks disturbing. Shake the poop!
I can't
shake the poop!
You're gonna have to replace the whole thing.
No, I'm not replacing the whole thing. Why don't you turn it upside down and then shake the poop off? You're shaking it upwards, so where are you gonna go with it? Look, see? Poop's falling.
Why is there poop in here?
Yeah, Z-Bread. Why is there poop in there? Also, there's poop in the garage now.
Did you just fling it? Oh my god.
Kind of smeared on the bottom of my shoe. Still dealing with the poop? Yeah. No, you're still dealing with the poop. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yahtzee! Just gotta synchronize it.
Alright guys, quick update. We got the cylinder out, so that's awesome. Here's the stupid thing though. So when I got the cylinder out, I realized that it was connected to this. I don't know what this is. Anyways, it was connected to this. It was in here. And they have these specialized screws that Honda uses, so you can't really get the cylinder out. They're called security screws. Basically, when you screw them in, these top of these heads, they just snap off and you can't get it out. But they were like, they didn't do it. So this was in the cylinder here, but they were just hand tightened. We could have just unscrewed it with our fingers instead of going through all of this and all of this. And then the bike receives some carnage here and there from whacking and smacking. Got some scuff marks there. Got my finger, got Pop's hand. Yep. It goes to show you just gotta check the screws first before you try to go ham. Don't go ham, check the screws, guys. So what we're gonna try to do is get the bike started. Even without the key, we're gonna try to jump it, but now the next big issue is to get to the battery, and as you can see, this battery is somewhere in this area, as I've been told. I don't know, we'll just start ripping stuff apart. Easy, 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 easy. Just make sure there's no more screws in there. Oh, there's one more.
Okay. Alright.
Didn't break it. See? You gotta not pull things too much. Destroy half the button. Because you just gotta pull hard and that would be soft.
Where the?
Right there. Oh. You gotta go pull the whole thing and destroy the bike even more. You're too excited. Right?
Okay, yeah.
Slow down, you're too excited. We got the battery out. Well, we got access to the battery now.
You talking to the bike or to us?
I'm talking to the bike. We got access to the battery now. So, what we're probably gonna do next is we got a charger, a booster on it. It's got a booster on it, and then we'll jump the cylinder and we'll see if it starts up. Alright, so this is where we are. We ended up closing up the garage just to keep some heat inside. Took a break to eat some lunch. Thank you, Mom. And also, I called the locksmith and they were gonna come by to make a key, but it was just way too expensive, so decided I'd cancel it. I have a good friend that's gonna help me out get the key, and we're gonna go that route and get the key made that way. At one point for a second, I did feel like I took the bike apart for no reason, and it felt kind of silly, but it's okay because my friends of a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend needs the cylinder to make the key, so it's still gonna work out fine. But now that we kind of figured out what we're gonna do there, I also found the wiring diagram for the bike, so what we're gonna do is, like I said earlier, let's jump it. I would like for it to just idle and warm up, make sure that's good to go. And then, yeah, probably ride it today. We'll see. We're gonna make 2 wires of similar sizes. This one right here. It on. Test it. Do it 3 more times. And the wiring diagram. Solid red to BIY, which is gonna be, or no, not BIY, BL. Where did I get the I from? What color is BI? BL yellow. So black and yellow. So this one, it's gonna hop over from red to the black with yellow stripe, and this goes in here, so these are the top 2. It's gonna go together like this, guys. And if these top 2 go together, that means these 2 bottom ones go together here like that. Love this booster pack right here. It starts up the Subaru Forester like every single time, and I haven't charged it since I bought it, and I bought it, it's maybe been 3 or 4 months now. Love this thing. I will leave a link in the description below. You guys go check that out. I hit the boost on the battery pack. The cluster came on. The bike's in neutral. Oh, nothing else clicked. Oh, there goes that.
Is there something else? All shots he can come on.
Hey, he's not this dude?
Dad, we didn't plug that in. Dad, we gotta plug that in. That was foolish of us.
Hey, you.
That's why nothing's working, guys. You guys are fools. You totally forgot about this. This is what we call being too excited for your own good. Alright, round 2. Let's try this again. So, boost. He's gonna
get it done.
Oh, I heard the fuel pump.
We get this.
I heard the fuel pump.
Hit it. And 3,
2, 1. Hit
go.
it. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's alive. Without a front end. And it's really quiet. What do you think, Dad?
That's beautiful.
It's quiet and cute, right?
Yeah.
Let it warm up, don't touch it. All the lights are flickering like crazy, and I think this has a lot to do with that ignition switch. Nice! She's alive!
Yo,
I love it.
We just scrolled it up on the...
Look at this, it's struggling. It's trying to show you something. It's definitely struggling. Maybe the battery's no good. I might need a battery for this. There you go, guys. We figured it out. We got it started. It sounds really good. Judging by the smoke, it's all pretty normal. It's all good stuff. It's really good. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for hanging around, watching this, trying to get this Grom started, and yeah, a new toy for the family, right? You don't like it, Pops? You know, play with it. All right, take care, guys.